So friends, we were discussing about the function that will calculate the date until our birthday. We'll first demonstrate it and then we'll try to understand what we have done. So I will start by writing my date of birth or any random date as a date of birth 06/03/1993. All right, and I will use a very popular today function to display the today date, and now I'll write the main function that will display the birthday on the current year. And to do so, we'll use the date function. And as you all know, it takes up three arguments. So first we'll do the year of A1, add it with the date diff function, which takes up argument as A1 minus B1, and I will do the difference of year, and the third argument will be month of A1, fourth will be day of A1. All right, so now again it has given a random number. We'll do the formatting here, format cell, and we'll display. All right, so this is our format. So 6/3 turn 16, there is the date until our birthday. Now what I need to calculate the number of days between this and this and this, right? So again I will use date remaining date until my HBD. I will display it here. So date diff B1 comma C1 comma D. Okay, we'll close the parenthesis, and there are 5 days remaining. All right, so this is all about date diff. We'll control A, delete, we'll delete the entire workbook. And now we'll quickly move to the next topic, that is time sheet. It is a demo project, so I've already created a time sheet here, which I will use to display. So we'll color it out, we'll put it as gray, because gray always looks attractive, no fail. It should look red. You can put any colors, whatever you want actually. All right, so let's understand this. What I have done here, first I have given the value of the C2 start date. From here, what I'm taking, you just need to enter a start date. All right, so let's do it 05/28/2017, sorry 29, 05/29/2017. We'll press enter, and as you can see, it has already calculated the days and Monday, Tuesday and all. How it did that, we have given the value of here from C2 and here as equal to C5 plus 1. This means this value plus 1, and this way we are calculating this different dates. And how we are calculating the Monday, Tuesday, we are using the text function, and we are providing the argument as C5, this value. For here we are like, let us assume for this we are providing equal to text, and we'll present a Monday. This way I've calculated this. Now someone has to enter time here, okay, whatever time it comes in and get out. And how we are calculating this, we are basically calculating sum of this minus this and then adding it with this minus this. I'm doing it for all the columns. Just I have written a formula for this and I have dragged it down so that it is referencing the same column. So this is all what I did here. To calculate total hours, I have summed all the regular hours. I put it as 40 hours, and to calculate overtime, I've written an if condition. What is that if condition? If the value of this value is greater than this value, then give the difference of both of them, else give the value as 0. As you can see, if the value is greater than, then give the difference between 2, else the value. So this is all what how a time sheet has to be prepared. So till now we have discussed about time sheet and all. If you have any doubt regarding it, you can comment it down. We have used this text function here. We have used if here to calculate the sum. This is how time sheet is getting prepared. Now we will learn a very important function, that is month function, end of month function. What is the use of it? Let's quickly write some date 05/29/2017, and let's give a value here as EOMONTH, and give it takes up to the start date as N1, and months I will give it as 0 and check what the value throws up. Just throwing a date. Let's format it, format cell and date format. Well, it's okay. So it is giving the value as the end of this month. What if we want the value of October 2016? So this is around 5 months back, and then 2 months back. So total of 5. That is it. It is an end of year, EON, MON, TH, and we'll give the argument as N1. And let's give an argument of minus 10 and check what it does. Minus 10 means like around August of 2016. So it is again displaying a number. We'll format it and we'll see what the value is coming up. Let's not format it. Let's first edit it and give it a value of -5 and see what happens. -4. So let's just format it and see the date it is throwing up. So it is throwing up the last month of the January, -4 months. Again, we'll display one example, date def, end of month, end of M1TH N1, and let's give an argument of -200. Let's close it. It's again giving a number. Let's format it and dated time. So it has gone back to 200 months back. So this is all what we can do. We can change it to 20. It will give 20 months back days. We'll make it to positive of 1. It will give the end of the June. So this is all about EOM function time sheet. So thanks for your time and thanks for listening.